Go.
We're going to check out an installation by Dedo. Touch it, stretch it, make it fly. So let's see how it works. Made it fly. Can you stretch? How do you stretch? Oh, kind of like the iPhone.
Yeah, like the iPhone.
Oh, nice. Okay, can I? And you can make it minimize. How cool is that?
Are you doing this installation, or are you
Yes.
just helping?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm with
can you talk to us a little bit about it?
Oh yeah, definitely.
We are with
Web 2.0 TV, and we're interviewing different companies here at AdTech to see exactly what you do, how you do it, and could you tell us a little bit about this installation?
Okay, so this installation it's our Twitter wall. Basically, AdTech has provided us a list of keywords. They're checking keywords. We're hooked into the Twitter stream, looking for certain keywords, and if it matches, we pop them up here in the current list.
So this is real time.
It's real
So
time.
if I go tweet right now,
ma'am.
it could, with the keyword, it could be
Mentions AdTech, it'll pop up, and so with the photos, if you take a picture, like my pic or Wi-Fi, we'll parse in the photo and drop it in.
And it could be here.
Exactly.
I need to tweet, take a picture, and I could be on the big screen. Wow, so how long have you been doing this?
We started about a year ago, and a few months ago we finally spun off into our own company. We started as a division of our parent company, Miller & Associates. Saw so much growth that we decided to just pick up.
So what's happening now? This is dropping down.
Okay, so as new feeds come in, they stick up at the top.
Okay.
And when a new one comes in, it replaces and it falls into the pile, which then allows you to interact with it.
Okay, and then what happens?
They're
after?
just there.
They just,
They're there in a physics world to just to play with, and like you tap on it to reread old tweets.
Okay.
So photos just drop.
So where can we find this display besides AdTech? Where looking?
Basically, anywhere that needs something that is good for showing buzz about it. So, we first showed it at Adobe Max. Other conferences. This has been a big conference as far as other software we do.
So this is our future, pretty much. This is where everything is going.
Future's
Interactive,
here.
everything.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Okay. Where can you tell our viewers where we can find you? Your website?
We're at DedoInc.com, and we're based out of Dallas.
Oh, so it's Dedo.
Dedo.
I said Dedo. I'm so sorry. Dedo. Okay. Dedo. Dedo. Of course. So